Hello, I am Gwenda Thomas and I am the Assembly Member for Neath. I was brought up in the village of Gwaun, which is part of my constituency, and I still live there. I have been honoured to represent the Neath constituency since the inception of the National Assembly for Wales in 1999. Since then, I have been involved in the life and culture of Neath. I hold regular advice surgeries across the constituency and represent the interests of individuals, the business and independent sectors and the voluntary sector. My constituency office is based in Pontardawe and is open from Monday to Friday between 10 AM and 12 noon, and my staff can see constituents at other times by appointment. I am also happy to deal with enquiries by phone or email. I started my formal political life as a community councillor, and I was then elected as a councillor on the former West Glamorgan County Council, where I was pleased to be appointed as the first female chair of social services. Following the local government reorganisation, I was then elected as a councillor to Neath Port Talbot County Borough Council. During the 4th Assembly, I would like to continue the work that I started in 1999 as the Assembly Member for Neath, to represent my constituents to the best of my ability. I would like to finish by saying I continue to stand up for the people of Neath, along with the children and the vulnerable across Wales.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.